One of the most popular ways of working with data in Excel is to do sorting and filtering. But let's take sorting first. Sorting just has to do with how your data is being arranged for presentation reasons, right? So for example, looking at this HR data set, you know, this is currently arranged just the way it is, but whoever is making use of this data set, for whatever reasons, presentation wise, maybe you want to print it out, maybe you just want to study it for whatever reason you have, right? You may want to arrange the data following some other kind of logic, right? So maybe, for example, you want to arrange it based on alphabetical orders so that you can see people, or maybe you can easily find people. Once you know that the names are arranged in alphabetical order, then it's easy for you to just look up somebody's name because you know it is arranged that way. Or it could be that you want to arrange it based on the department, such that you know everybody that belongs to the same department are going to show up first, then you're going to see people from another department, and so on and so forth. It could also be that you want to arrange it in such a way that maybe the people you hired first are going to be the first people to show, then maybe the people you hired last are going to be the last people to show, maybe the first people to show. It depends, right? It could be based on the fact that you want to arrange data in such a way that people who have exited the company are going to show last, right? So if you notice, you would have seen that anybody who has exited the company basically has an exit date. That means places that you have blanks, you know, represent employees who are still in employment, right? It could be you want to arrange based on a city, such that you want to see people from the same city first, and then another city like that. You just want to, you know, have some sense of arrangement, right? Now, thinking about it, it could be that you want to arrange it in such a way that people that are earning the highest amount of salary are going to show first, or maybe they are going to show last, right? So as far as it has to do with the arrangement of your data set based on whatever reasons, based on anything that you feel like, then you know that you are trying to sort your data, right? Just like when you sort things, right? It has to do with arrangement.